Hi guys, my name is Jimmy, and today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration on my 2003 Toyota Celica.
This is what they look like before the restoration.
Today I'll be using the two-step headlight restoration kit from Meguiar's. I heard good things about this, so I decided to buy it. It's like 20 bucks, 22, something like that. We got some tape right here. This is like masking tape. Nothing too crazy. Hopefully it doesn't stick. Last but not least, we got dollar store window cleaner. Should be like made out of vinegar and isopropyl alcohol. That should help. So we're gonna get started by cleaning the headlights. Right. So with this, I'm just gonna spray a little bit on there. Wipe it all off. Make sure it's dry. Next up, I'll be using this masking tape to mask around the headlights so that I don't get any of the solution on the paint of my car.
Now that we're done masking the headlight, we're going to be using the cleaning solution from the Meguiar's kit to sand out all the old clear coat. And then after we do that, we're going to be applying our new clear coat on there after wiping down our headlights. Oh, my phone died, so I couldn't record what happened to the other headlight. But now that we're done, we're gonna be applying clear coat. This is what the headlights look like right after the restoration.
Overall, that was hard. The product worked great, but man, I suck at applying clear coat. I don't know if you guys can see in the after, but it was a lot of overspray, I think, and I just did not do a good job of applying it. But either way, it looked way better than it did before, so I'm still happy, and it was my first time. So if you guys like what you guys are seeing, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again.